Wow, the Yimkhiung folk dance is mesmerizing. Women's wearing captivating makeup as well the
First and foremost, I would like to thank our Almighty God for granting us this opportunity. I would also like to thank the school management team for organizing such an event, not only for the celebration, but also to appreciate the diversity of our country. I also thank all the parents for taking out your time and for being a part of this school. I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the talented students and teachers who work tirelessly to make this program a successful one. Auntie parents at Aina Des, through aplikalagan support our aplikalagan cooperation today to program the successful Aro ay uli lakan TV aplikalagan team support our cooperation.